Today I'm also pleased to announce that Assistant Secretary Robert Destro, over here, good to see you, that Assistant Secretary Robert Destro of the Bureau of Democracy, Human Rights, and Labor will also serve simultaneously as the U.S. Special Coordinator for Tibetan issues. He will focus on advancing dialogue between the communist-run government in Beijing and the Dalai Lama, protecting the distinct religious, cultural, and linguistic identity of Tibetans, improving respect for their human rights, and much, much more. Of course, yesterday, China as well as Russia and Cuba won seats on the Human Rights Council, a win for tyrants, an embarrassment for the United Nations. It's an example, an indication of why we were right to leave that body. When institutions are irredeemable, as was demonstrated yesterday, the United States under President Trump simply will not participate.